When you purchase a stay at the St. Anthony Hotel, you expect it to be top-notch.
Housekeeping.
Not thinking twice about the fresh sheets that are spread out on each bed. But what you may not know is in the basement of the hotel, there's one woman who's been making sure your sheets are perfection.
It's the basic quality and good service.
For 67-year-old Carmen Alvarado, washing and drying has been her bread and butter for the last 4 decades.
For me, it's easy.
She was just 21 when she decided to take a stroll into the St. Anthony Hotel and was offered a job in the laundry department.
And I said, okay, I'm gonna work in the laundry for 3 months, just for 3 months. And look now, 46 years. I stayed for 46 years because I think this it was a challenge for me.
Promoted to laundry supervisor over the years, and with almost 400,000 loads of laundry under her belt, you wonder who really loves laundry that much.
I always think when the guests came to the hotel, sometimes they came tired, they want to rest, and the first thing that they see is the bed. That's my pride for the guests, to see that, to have a good rest.
Pride in her work now spread to the team which she manages, reminding everyone that no job is too small.
They have to do a good job, no matter what kind of job. If you're gonna sweep the floor, you have to do it right.
Still to her last day, with every towel folded, she carries a smile, but knows what she will miss the most.
I feel sad still. I'm gonna miss my coworkers.
Leaving behind a legacy of dedication and a name the staff at the St. Anthony Hotel will never forget.
Will you come back and stay as a guest?
I'm gonna try it.